In front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll to choose this section called Shortcuts and Accessibility. Now, you need to scroll again, this time to tap on one-handed. And use this switcher next to Access mini screen via gesture to turn it on. Then follow those instructions to use it. Swipe in from the screen edge, then swipe back out to open the mini screen. When I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. Now to manage it, you can either click on this X at the top left corner to close it, or tap on this icon at the top left one to resize it by dragging it, like that, or by changing placement of it. Like that. If you want to disable one-handed mode fully, use the same no blue switcher until it's grey. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!